Hi everyone. In today's video, we'll explore a fun English conversation to help improve your listening skills. Follow Alice and Zoe as they plan their next holiday trip. This video is divided into two simple steps. Step 1. Listening practice with the conversation. Step 2. A short test based on what you heard. So, get ready to improve your English and have some fun. Let's get started.
Hi, Zoe. Where should we go for our holiday?
Hi, Alice. I was thinking about the beach.
That sounds great. Any place in mind?
Maybe Bali or the Maldives. Both have beautiful beaches.
Nice. We can relax and enjoy the sea.
Yes, we can also try snorkeling.
That sounds fun. But what about the budget?
Let's check flight and hotel prices first.
I'll look for travel deals online.
Great, let's compare options.
Should we go in summer or winter?
Summer is better for the beach.
True. We should also go sightseeing.
Yes, I want to try local food too.
Me too. Let's list things to do.
Good idea. I'm so excited.
Me too. Let's start planning.
In this part, you will answer questions about the conversation you heard. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!